Guys, in case you don't know already what we're doing with these trucks, actually, what we're doing with this truck, we're gonna take the entire body off of it, turn it all around, and this is going to be a backwards driving 12 valve four-wheel drive Cummins turbo diesel. Which means once it's said and done, it's gonna look like it's driving like 70 miles an hour backwards while going down the highway, which is gonna be funny as shit.
How many times do you think you're gonna get pulled over?
Oh dude, at least 20. First things first though, we gotta get it unloaded off the trailer, gotta get it inside and start figuring out exactly how we're gonna turn everything around. So basically, we're going to put the cab on backwards, the bed on backwards, leave the motor is gonna be where the bed is now, and then the cab is gonna be where the bed is, where the bed was.